you as a parent, you would like to monitor your kid, you can actually add any of the hardware as in tracking device onto Nexus. So typically you have your GPS stacks.
For example, iPad.
Your tablet can be added on Nexus, and not just added on Nexus. It keeps a track where exactly you are. You can draw a geofence, stating that if my kid is moving out of this district, I should know where exactly he is, flag it up, and respond to certain individuals. By the way, you can also do this with your own tab software as well. But why Nexus? It can cross integrate into a customized level that you can define the logic. Rather, somebody who is a software company or a hardware company or a tablet company may not be flexible based on your used case.
True.
What we can do is we can say, if your kid is moving from one place to the other and he has his tablet in his bag and it's connected to network, I can say from one route to the next route if he's reached to the school on time or not, without you trying to open up the software and there is fancy schmancy dashboards. You don't need to do it. It's simple human interface. You can talk to it as if you're talking to AI and say, you know what, where is my kid? So it's like he's on his way to school. Within 5 minutes, he's going to reach.